Shoot it! Shoot it down! Shoot it down! Shoot it! Shoot! Oh! Shoot it down! Oh, it's gonna...
You need to stop.
No, you gotta shoot it while it's flying. Go!
Stop turning.
Watch out, Easton!
Easton! Sorry. Can I get back? Today we're going to be opening the HoverTech Target FX. So it's an electronic flying target challenge. Take aim to test your skill and accuracy.
Accuracy.
Painted state-of-the-art flight control technology. So what this thing is you turn this and it connects to this thing. Force sensor.
It's a flying drone that you shoot out of the sky.
Onto this.
Dude.
Target.
Pretty cool. Alright. Let's get it open up and see what this baby can do.
So now we're going to try the HoverTech now.
The HoverTech. Alright, so it's the flying droid. Shoot it! Shoot it down! Shoot it down! Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh! Shoot it down! Oh, it's gonna...
You need to stop.
No, you gotta shoot it while it's flying. Go!
Stop turning.
Watch out, Easton!
Easton! Sorry. Can I get back here with me, Anna?
Go on, get out of the way. Oh, you gotta get out of the way, buddy. Get out of the way. Run!
You have to run.
Run, Forrest!
But you can shoot this gun, so say that. Look. That's hard. It's really hard to do.
Dang it. Hey, Gav, watch out. Somebody didn't do their job today. Yeah, well, I just won that award. This thing has, like, sensors or something. Gotta shoot it down. Yep. Come on. Watch out. Don't stand over there. Don't stand over there. Play the doggy doo-doo game. Nice! Yeah, you hit it. It comes down. Easton, watch out for the poop. You're gonna be stepping in it. You're gonna... Oh, that's one way to break it. Gavin? Gavin? What? I don't know what he reset it. Bye-bye. It's gone. Well, Bryce, go in the front yard. Well, Gavin, so much for that one, right? So what happened to it? Yep. So listen. Hey, Gavin, talk to me. So tell me what happened. No, tell me the whole thing. Flew up in the air and didn't come back down. Kept going and going and going. I don't know. I don't know why. It could still be way up there. I do not know. No, the battery will be dead before then. Oh well. It was cool for the first 5 minutes, right? Sorry, buddy. That stinks.
Tell you what, that hits them. They're gonna say, "Ow."
Not that bad.
Ow!